Hello everyone! Today we are unboxing the NerdCax Plus Plus. This product comes in 4 color options. Now, let's see what's in the box. There's also a detailed illustrated manual with common troubleshooting and repair methods listed on the last page. Scan the QR code to watch the product operation guide video. Accessories have interchangeable plugs in 4 standards: EU, UK, US, suitable for use in different countries. The power adapter features an input voltage of 110 to 40V and an output of 12 volts, 10A, compatible worldwide. Wow! There's also a little surprise. Finally, the star arrives the NerdCax Plus Plus main unit. Let me enjoy the fun of mining.